Okay, now I'd like to teach you how to toast some coconut. Toasting the coconut gives it that nice caramel colored flavor, and it also brings out like a, I don't know, a nutty kind of taste in the coconut. But these are good for ice cream, snowballs, or anything else that you're going to decorate that needs toasted coconut. I'm going to save some of this because I'm not using all this toasted coconut. But you're going to kind of spread it in the pan. I put parchment paper down first. You may not need to use any parchment paper, but I always like to because I don't like anything that sticks. So just kind of evenly spread it out. And I have my oven anywhere between 325 and 350. Mine is a little slow oven, so I put it on 350. But I'm just going to place it in the oven and check on it every like 5 minutes. I am doing it more towards the top because it will brown it more towards the top of, especially in my oven. And I'm just going to time it again for like 5 minutes, check it, and stir it. Okay, 5 minutes is up. I'm going to take the coconut. You can see that some of the edges are already starting to turn color. And it's starting to brown, which is really good. And I'm just going to stir it a little bit and bring the coconut in to try to get it all more evenly colored. And then I'm going to put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes. Okay, I've noticed that it's toasted a little bit quicker this time. I do have the oven at 350, so that's possible. So I just wanted to take this out and stir it. And basically it's done. You can use it the way it is because it's toasted up nice. And you can actually smell the toasted coconut as it's toasting and as it's browning. It's a wonderful smell, nutty, caramelized. I don't know how to describe it, but it's very yummy smell. And then I just turn it off the oven, and I will just let this cool here. And I will use this for making ice cream snowballs or some other decoration on a side of a cake. And that's how you toast coconut. Okay, one of the things I would like to show you that you could use the toasted coconut on is a garnishment for cupcakes or for garnishing the side or tops of a cake that you're making. It brings out a nice flavor of the coconut. There you go.